are ganging up. Get up. Where you from? Come here. Eku. Eh? You have seen money. You have seen small money, but you misuse it. And they have attacked you now. They say they will useless you. As I'm talking to you now, your brain is having some issue.
Yes,
connected to your eye.
Yes, sir.
Ah!
Yes, sir.
Professor. But listen. This is not witchcraft. It's purely projection.
Yes, sir.
From the marine world, and they attach him to drug.
Yes, sir.
That he will be taking drug, and a fight come up, and he was involved spiritually. This is eye issue.
Yes, sir.
Was not an accident.
No.
It's a purely projection, like a fight.
No.
Listen to me, like a fight. And they went there to go and rob.
Yes, sir.
In their house.
Yes, sir.
Like it's chairman house.
Yes,
like
sir.
a kind of a chairman house.
Yes, sir.
And they were robbing of phones.
Yes, sir.
Collecting phones.
Yes, sir.
And lying down. He raised up his head, tried to look at them, and they shoot him, and the gun touched his eye. Is that not what happened to you, sir?
Professor!
You say you wake up.
Open your mouth for me. Father,
yes, sir.
As this water touch your son's head,
yes, sir.
Let the glory they take away before be restored.
Amen.
Let the light they take away before be restored. Amen. Let your favor be restored. Amen. You will not run mad. Amen. I command restoration. Amen. In the name of God the Father, Amen. The Son, Amen. And the Holy Spirit. Amen.